Well, welcome back, ladies and gents, to a new video. Great to have your company. I'm not going to waffle too much. Got a nice old school Daiwa reel, Darent Valley 8-foot specialist quiver tip rod, link leisure setup, nice simple method, bread, worms, maggots. It is stormy, the wind's already picking up, it's forecast to get up to 50 to 60 miles an hour. Eek! But yeah, low pressure system. Let's crack on, let's see if we can maybe wangle out some fish. Let's go. done me the snag. Bollocks. Right, go on. I've lost him. Oh, it's a nice fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, nice chub, guys. I thought I'd lost him before he'd done me in the snag. He's pushed my split shot all the way to the top, but it's a nice chub. It's got to be a 5+ easily, if not larger. Happy days. Well, how about that, guys? What a scrap. I thought I lost her, I really did. Pushed the rig stop right to the tip because it run through the snag, powered off, got the rod tip low as I could. Very, very lucky to have landed this fish. But a beautiful, blustery, fine conditioned winter chevy from a wonderful small river. And I said it was a good fish. It's an upper 5 pound, 10 ounces. Beautiful condition. Lovely gold tones. Always helps to have a myriad of baits to unlock and pick a lock and switch to bread flake. Lovely bite. Real powerful scrap. I had the drag set quite tight there. I was actually stunned how it powered off, but you can see its fixed set is a quality chevy in blustery conditions. Happy days. Let's get it slipped back. Scrap, guys. Oh. Gotcha. Happy days. Number 2. Very nice. Well, there we go, guys. Another bread flake victim. Good scrap there in the flow. Cracking scrap. Really did take some line off of the clutch as well. Really am enjoying this old school Daiwa reel. But yeah, I just fed in, as you saw there, a little bit of liquidized bread. That's laced with a bit of garlic oil. Pristine looking chevin. Beautiful condition. Happy days. Let's get it slipped back. Wonderful. Well, I'll tell you what, I've just seen a rather nice chub just cruise in here. Now my bread flake's downstream. It may swim down to it, but if it doesn't, I'm going to try a cast a little bit more directly in front of me and just see if I can get it to maybe snatch at the bait as it drops. We'll see. It may swim down to the bread flake. But it did look like it was kind of just flanking along this margin and going upstream. I literally just caught him on the drop. I knew there was a bite there. Do excuse the dogs. They are more friendly than they sound. One's got a bad gash out of its back. Real bad gash. Nice fish, but got quite a gash out of its back. Don't know if it's pike or otter. That was literally on the drop. I just saw the line tightening and just lifted. I knew there was going to be a fish there. That's a good chub. I would say, if not an upper 4, getting there. Maybe pushing nearer towards 5, but I would have said a mid to an upper 4. But look at that. That's either a pike or an otter. Cool. It's looking a bit manky. Anyway, don't want her out the water too long. Let's get a slip back. I'm going to give this swim a go. Nice little smooth pace. Got a little slack here. Got a nasty looking stump in the water. Give it 5 or 10 minutes. And then head on downstream. We are going to fish a bit into darkness as well. Probably will switch over to cheese pace at that point. Really? Damn it. Bloody damn it. Tetchy bite that was, guys. Tetchy, and I struck and I nibbled. It nibbled and I nibbled. The equivalent of cricket fishing about on your offside. We're in, guys. Feels hard to judge, but doesn't feel bad fish. Real tetchy bite. Actually, doesn't feel bad fish at all. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Lovely. Oh, it's not a bad fish. Oh. Lovely. Happy days. Actually quite a nice fish. Very nice. Very, very wary bites I was getting. Very, very tetchy. Kept chopping and changing the cheese paste size. And paid off in the end. Happy days. Well, there we go, guys. An absolute corking chevin. This one's mint condition. Lovely portly fish. Got room to fill out. Wary bites on the cheese paste in a few other swims. I managed to strike thin air and miss them. Probably spooked them. This one was giving me jip, giving me some right wary knocks and taps and rattles. But chopping and changing cheese paste size got me a decent bite in the end from it. It's beautiful condition. Absolutely fat as butter. And mint condition as well, which is what we like to see as anglers. That's for sure. Oh, and the size. It's a mid 4 pound, 8 ounces. Anyway, let's get it slipped back. Happy days. Well, all packed up. Thoroughly enjoyable trip. Yeah, great to have those 4 chevin. Absolutely wonderful. Obviously, pick of the bunch was at 5, but that that one later on in the trip, that battle-torn warrior, was a nice fish in its own right. Do excuse the dogs barking. I've got no control over that. I'm liable in the comments, I'm sure, to get people saying, "Oh, bloody dog's barking." You know, I can't really do much about that, guys. I mean, if I could, I'd turn them into cats. But yeah, that aside, it's been a really enjoyable trip. Once darkness fell, in that last swim that you saw me before the light faded, I managed to fluff my lines and missed 2 good bites, one on cheese, one on bread. And they managed to do the same in another swim. So I was like, you're a little bit off your A game, kind of thing. You're not on the ball. And to be fair, the bites, once it got dark on the cheese paste, they've been, you know, those kind of bites we get as chub anglers on cheese paste or any baits where the fish are being a bit sketchy, and you know, you're getting the little knocks, little plucks, little rattles, and you've got to sit on your hands, and sometimes you don't get a chance at all. I chopped and changed in this last swim for this final fish. I chopped and changed bait sizes, kept drawing the bait and dislodging it, trying to get a fish to pluck up some confidence to get a better bite, and I did in the end. It was a nice fish, rather gorgeous, pristine condition fish. And that's what I do love about my chub fishing, is all the intimate swims you can get yourself tucked into, all the different moods and mindsets of the fish and how they feed, and all the different looks that they've got about them, from battle-torn warriors to absolute fresh off the press looking high quality out of the showroom chevin. And you know, they've all got their own characters and their own stories to tell. That one that I had, which had the bite mark out of its back, I would have said maybe a pike, but I've got a funny feeling it was an otter. I really have. The gashes were pretty nasty on its tail. The flesh didn't look great, but they are a hardy species, that's for sure, the old chevin. But yeah, so most of the fish today, barring that last one, obviously I would have had more on cheese paste, but the rest of them were on bread. That upper 5, whoa, that was a hairy scrap. I thought I'd lost it, really did. I thought it done me in the snags, and unfortunately it did push the rig stop up on my link leisure, so I couldn't get much purchase for winding in. I mean, I couldn't wind down on it, otherwise I broke my rod tip. I would have literally snapped my rod tip trying to force the rig stop back down. So once I did find I was still connected to the fish, it was not easy to get control then to land it, but we did manage it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to head off home. I'm very happy. 4 chevin. Could have been more though. There's always that fact that goes through your head. It could have been more. And yeah, sure enough, I mean, I should have had at least 2 more. Should have had 6, but could say I'm being greedy. But I'm not really being greedy. I'm being hypercritical of myself, to be honest. So I know I'm a little bit off the kind of A game, as I said earlier. But anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. Your continued support's been brilliant, guys, honestly. It's nice that I'm getting regular uploads back out to you as well. My best as I can do to say thank you for your patience with me, you know, and patience with the slow uploads in the past. But it's been brilliant support. Always nice to see your comments. Always nice to hear from you on Instagram. And although I don't go on quite as much on Facebook as well, it's always nice to know that the videos are enjoyed and we all share a common interest together of looking after our waterways as best we can, possibly can, what with sewage and all other issues that are going on. But we do share a vested interest, and we are all a brotherhood. At times, it can be a little bit bitchy on social media with the fishing, and YouTube videos at times, you know, can get you a bit of a, you know, frowned upon because you do videos, and not all anglers like the fact that you film and you fish and you share where you're fishing kind of thing via YouTube. But I do enjoy doing it regardless of all those other issues, because your support's been so immense and it's been really, really good, and I'm very grateful, I've got to say it. Anyway, I'm waffling, aren't I, as per usual. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all on the flip side on another Fishing for Memories video. Wherever you're wetting a line, wherever you're dangling your end tackle, make sure them chub, whatever fish you're fishing for, are really, really committing to the bite. This is Mark from Fishing for Memories, signing off. Take care.